Caring for Hedgehogs, a beginner's guide. Hello everyone, today, we're diving into the fascinating world of hedgehogs. In this video, we'll explore Hedgehog Care, covering all you need to know to keep these adorable creatures healthy and happy. Whether you're a new hedgehog owner or just curious, this guide is for you. Hedgehogs are small, nocturnal mammals known for their distinctive spiny coats. They're unique pets, requiring specific care and attention. It's important to understand their natural behaviors and habitat to create a comfortable home for them. Setting up a proper habitat is crucial for your hedgehog's well-being. You'll need a spacious cage, bedding, and a temperature-controlled environment. Hedgehogs are sensitive to cold, so maintaining a warm habitat is essential. Feeding your hedgehog the right diet is key to their health. A balanced diet includes insects, fruits, and specially formulated hedgehog food. Avoid feeding them harmful foods, like chocolate or dairy products, which can cause health issues. Hedgehogs can be shy and might take time to get used to handling. It's important to be gentle and patient. Regular, careful handling can help your hedgehog become more comfortable and sociable with you. Regular health checks are important to keep your hedgehog in top shape. Pay attention to their eating habits, activity level, and physical appearance. Clean their habitat regularly to maintain hygiene and prevent diseases. Owning a hedgehog can come with challenges, such as their nocturnal nature and potential for health issues like obesity or dental problems. Being aware and prepared for these common challenges ensures a better experience for both you and your pet. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in your journey of hedgehog care. Remember, patience and understanding are key. Happy hedgehog caring! See you in the next video.